Welcome to California. Come with me while I show you sights of this beautiful state.
Sea lions are highly social, intelligent marine mammals. Unlike true seals, they can rotate their hind flippers forward to walk or even run on land.
San Francisco's cable cars are the last manually operated cable car system in the world, serving as a moving national historic landmark since 1964. They have no motor, relying instead on a moving underground cable. Located in Sacramento, Tower Bridge was originally painted silver. In 2002, it was painted gold, symbolizing Sacramento's gold rush heritage. California's freeway network carries a massive volume of traffic, logging nearly 85 billion vehicle miles in a single year. This is enough to drive to the sun and back over 450 times. Thank you for visiting California with me.